In this video, I'll be talking about box storage, when you should use box storage, how to create or delete boxes, and how to read from and write to them within your TEAL Smart Contracts. When it comes to storing larger amounts of data on-chain, box storage, or boxes, will most likely be the better option when compared to global and local state storage. Boxes have a maximum storage capacity of up to 32 kibibytes per box, and there is no cap to the number of boxes an application can create. Speaking of the application, is the application account, which is responsible for funding the box via its minimum balance requirement. Note that if the application responsible for a box is deleted, the box data will persist on-chain forever and the minimum balance requirement for that account will become unrecoverable. Box storage is also only visible on-chain to the application it belongs to, meaning other smart contracts won't be able to directly read the data stored within them. In order to use any box-related opcodes within a smart contract, the transaction must include a reference to the boxes being used. Each box reference provides up to 1024 bytes of data to be accessed, and multiple references can be included to increase this allowance. A maximum of 8 boxes can be provided per transaction, and the box data budget can be shared across a transaction group. Creating a box can be done on its own, without writing any data to it. This is achieved using the box_create opcode and specifying the name and size as stack values before calling. A box name can be up to 64 bytes, but must always be provided and cannot be blank. If a box already exists with the same name, but a different size, then the code will fail. If the size is the same, then the call will return a 0 on the stack, with the contents being unmodified. There are 2 ways to write data to a box, depending on the type of data to be written. If the entire box is being written to, with data that's equal in length as the size of the box, then box_put can be used. Box_put can also be used to create a box if one with that name doesn't already exist. The other way is to use box_replace, which in addition to the name and the content, also requires the position within the box that the data is to be written to. For this reason, box_replace is required when writing beyond 4096 bytes, which is the maximum length for byte arrays on the stack of the AVM. Reading data from a box, much like writing, also offers 2 different opcodes for the same reasons as before. Box_get will retrieve the full box content, whereas box_extract reads an amount of bytes up to 4096, starting from the provided offset. Deleting a box requires the box name and the use of the opcode box_delete. This will now free up an amount of algo from the application account's minimum balance requirement that was used for that particular box. Additionally, the opcode box_len can be used to retrieve the length of a box in bytes. This can also be used to verify if a box already exists.